Off the beaten path, in the mountains of Costa Rica near Playa Bejuco, is a mountain hiking trail called the Rainmaker. It was $20 per person to get in, and of course you had to sign a form saying if you did anything stupid, they weren't responsible. The staff was super friendly, and after getting us banded up, he gave us a quick explanation of the trail, and I vaguely remember something about, at a certain point, if you're afraid of heights, turn to the right, if not, proceed to the left. And with that, we were on our way. So the first thing I noticed is that the path is very well constructed of concrete steps and hand railings and very well maintained, and it can be navigated by hikers of all ages and skill levels. We came to our first swinging bridge and there was a sign stating 4 persons maximum. Don't have to tell me twice. Then we came to a pretty cool lookout spot where you could actually see the ocean from here. So when the staff member had mentioned something about being afraid of heights, this is what he was talking about. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but we were at least a couple hundred feet up and the view was absolutely amazing. It was definitely a good feeling when I got to the other side of that bridge. What do you think about that, Tim?
This place is like Jurassic Park.
Then on your way back down, you pass through a series of majestic waterfalls. Eventually, we found the exit and emerged back to the pavilion area that we started at. And they even have a restaurant on the grounds for food and beverage. If I remember correctly, it took us a little over 2 hours to complete the trail, and Tim said we logged in 2 miles on his Apple Watch. If you're ever in Costa Rica, I highly recommend checking out the Rainmaker Mountain Trail. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.